Tell them all the boys they can hit the exit check, please. Cause I finally found the boy of